Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request payment on Wise. First of all, what you have to do is open Wise application on your phone, and then you will see a recipient button on the right bottom of your screen. Click on recipient, and then what you have to do is simply add a recipient. To add a recipient, click on it, and then select the currency of the recipient, for instance United States dollar, and then you have two different options to search them on Wise. The first one is by searching with the Wise tag, and the other one is entering the bank details. After you have added your recipient, you will see your recipient in the all list. Select the recipient name, and then you will see three different options: send, request, and delete. So simply what you have to do is click on request. So to request money, I have to choose the currency first in which I want to get paid in. The recipient will get a notification that someone is requesting money once he opens the notification. So Wise will show him the amount of money that you have requested, and if he approves, then you will get that money into your Wise account. So that's basically how you can request money in Wise. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.